Today to the hero, the Softel Little Prince pressure cooker from Rasoishop. Well, unboxing kitchenware is always exciting. Rasoishop has hit it out of the park this time. The delivery, absolutely safe, quick and hassle-free, and the packaging did not disappoint at all. Time to see if this sleek Softel Prince pressure cooker shines in the kitchen. You know, when I was younger, I used to avoid using a pressure cooker. One is because I used to stay alone and cooking in a large pressure cooker would amount to wastages. But now we have the Softel Prince pressure cooker, which makes life convenient because of its compact size. By now, of course, you would have realized this 1-liter compact Softel Prince pressure cooker is perfect for bachelors, small families, pet parents. Has a heavy-duty sandwich bottom which ends up cooking food 30% faster. Suitable for cooking on induction or gas. ISI certified, and hence it has gone through a series of stringent checks. This has double safety features, a safety valve as well as GRS, gasket release system. This comes with a high-quality silicone gasket. Now, let's pressure cook the corn pulao. Well, the pulao, absolutely yummy. Well, in the midst of all the tasting, I forgot to tell you one thing. This product comes with a reliable 5-year warranty. Now, moving to the costs. The MRP of this product is $16.95. Rasoishop offers this at $12.35. So there you have it. This pressure cooker size is ideal for my home kitchen, and I wish to see this becoming ideal for your home kitchen as well. In the meanwhile, you can also go and check rasoishop.com for over 5,000 plus range of kitchenware from over 100 plus brands. Bye for now.